Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to block websites in Safari on Mac. So what you're going to do, open the System Preferences, head over to Screen Time, okay, and then press Content and Privacy. Inside Web Content, all you got to do is you can select Limit Adult Website or Allow Websites Only. And then what you're going to do, hit Customize next to it, enter the URL, right? Let's say add the URL of a website that you don't want to access. Okay, I'm gonna copy this just for future details, just to show you the final outcome. Okay, here. So I'm gonna copy this for future details, then hit OK. Okay, then hit Done. Right, so now I customize the Disney website that I don't want to have access to it. Right, so basically that's it. Okay, so let me add this as my credential. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead to my Safari and of course add the Disney URL, right? Or you can just go ahead to Google and just type in right here. As you can see, won't be able to access the Disney website even, right? Even if I wanted to. So consider liking this video, subscribe. Until next time, see you.